Can I make myself sneeze? Well, that's what we're going to be trying to find out today. Step 1. Tissue method. I think I'm going to try to tear a strand and then shove that into my navel cavity. Check this out. I don't feel anything. I feel so stupid. Oh. Yeah, that wasn't working. I don't think I had enough tissue. I'm gonna stick the whole thing. I'm just gonna try the whole dang thing. Man, this kind of sucks. Oh, it feels so weird. I kind of feel it, but not really. So I'm gonna move on to the next thing, which is pepper. This kind of irritates the trigeminal nerve in your nose, which is the nerve that causes sneezing. Okay. There is some black pepper, and I'm gonna snort it. Ow, 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 ow. Ow, 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 ow. Ow, 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 ow. Oh, 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 oh. I can smell pepper. Ah, my nose. My nose, it hurts. Ow, god damn it. This is dumb. And I'm not even sneezing. So some people, when they're exposed to a bright light, flash of light, my nose still burns, by the way. Some people, when they're exposed to a flash of light, they sneeze, so that's what I'm gonna try. Oh my god, my nose burns. It burns like inferno. Oh. It didn't work. Okay, apparently massaging the roof of your mouth with your tongue can help trigger the trigeminal nerve. And also rubbing the bridge of your nose. So I'm going to be trying both of those at the same time. I don't think it's working. Oh. It's not working. Maybe if I just focus really hard. So apparently chocolate can help you sneeze. So I'm gonna try some chocolate. Booyah. I'm just blowing solid, just specks of pepper on my nose. Also, fizzy drinks are supposed to help you sneeze, so I have a mango bubbly water. Nothing's working. Nothing's working. This is so much harder than I thought it would be. Alright, so this is like a nasal spray type deal. You stick it up your nostril and it's supposed to help. I don't know what it's supposed to do. But I'm not going to spray it. I'm just going to stick the nozzle up and rub it around. Oh, it hurts. It hurts. Oh, this feels not good. Ooh, this feels weird. No. I heard you're supposed to hum while you're doing this. It'll help you. Need more pepper. Oh, I don't want to snort it again. I think I have to. Into the nostril. I'm just trying them all at once. It feels so weird having this in, but maybe if I put like the tissue over the... Yeah, that'll do it, I think. Nope, it makes it worse. I will record until I sneeze, goddammit. Hey kids, want to see a magic trick? Yeah. Abracadabra. This is my third dose of pepper. And it gets more painful every time. Into the nose it goes. Oh man. Oh man. I just got the perfect idea. Q-tip in the nose. Well, I'm not sure if this is a good idea. Don't try this at home, actually. Oh, it hurts. Yes! Oh, finally, the Q-tip method is the one that pushed it over my nose. Feels weird. Oh, oh, oh. I'm gonna be smelling pepper for days. Oh, man. Oh, I'm just gonna eat some more chocolate for the hell of it. Why didn't I do that sooner? I don't know. Oh, man. Oh, I don't feel very well. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching, and bless you all. It's dumb.